Chameleon is more than a contract management solution. It places your contracts at the core, integrating and engaging with all functional areas to provide a real-time snapshot to the health of your business. It is a cloud-based, maintenance-free, easy-to-use solution that is accessible from any device. Dashboards. Chameleon has a highly configurable information dashboard. You can choose the widgets you want to see, and you can create custom widgets for your dashboard. You can move the widgets or remove them from the dashboard altogether. As you can see, there are different types of widgets. What you see here is a map widget. You will notice that there are red bubbles of various sizes. The size of the bubble shows the density of contracts you have in that particular country or region. This is especially useful for real estate or mining. You can locate your properties on the map and drill down. Let us select Kenya on this map. Now let us see how many contracts we have in Kenya. As you can see, you can drill down to granular information with very little to no effort. What you see below is a widget, which shows you all the contracts signed this year. Again, this is searchable and configurable. We have a compliance widget set here. This shows you the compliance status of the contracts you have uploaded to the system. Contracts page. The contract screen has an overview panel here at the top. This panel can be collapsed if required. As you can see, this panel shows you the health of your contract repository. Quick actionable items are highlighted here, like contracts which have expired, contracts approaching their renewal date, active contracts on the system, and the breakup of commercial versus non-commercial contracts. You can quickly view the contracts corresponding to each graph by clicking on the View Details button. The contracts are also displayed in the tabular view below. You will notice that the table headers have an inbuilt search functionality. You will be able to search and find the exact contract you want to review using this functionality. Now let us click on a contract record. A quick snapshot of the contract is shown with important details of the contract. It also includes graphical timeline. It becomes easy to understand the activities or events which occurred during the lifetime of the contract. The markers along the timeline show the amendments. When you hover over the marker, it will show you details about the amendment. Now let us click on the View Details button. The contract we selected has opened in a new tab within Chameleon. You can navigate back to the contract section if required. A quick overview of the contract is available. This has important information like the contract value, agreement type, the parties, and a visual timeline with clickable markers to the various events along the lifetime of the contract. The contract information has been captured on the tabs on the left. We will explore each one of these tabs. In the Key Terms tab, the terms from the contract are broken down and categorized into different sets like general information, products and services, terms and terminations, etc. These categories are fully customizable. You can add new categories if required, rename the existing categories, or delete the ones you feel are redundant. Family View. In the Family View section, a graphical representation of the relationships of this contract are displayed. You can add or modify the relationships if you have been assigned the privileges or permissions. There is also a tabular view of this below. This view is helpful in getting a single snapshot of the dependencies. Amendments. You will notice that this tab shows you a timeline similar to the one you saw earlier in the snapshot view. The amendments are shown along this timeline with markers. When you click on one of these markers, it shows you the categories that contain the exact terms on which changes were made. It also shows you the previous values and the new values. Related documents. In the Related Documents tab, all the supporting and related documents to this contract are displayed. It shows you who uploaded the document and when along a vertical timeline. You can easily locate any document by chronology in this view. Notes. You can leave review notes for your colleagues using this feature. The most recent notes are displayed at the top. All other notes are archived by date along the vertical timeline. Messages. All the mail interaction, negotiations, and other messaging which has been exchanged between the parties can be captured in this tab. The messages are automatically arranged in two sections, pre-signing and post-signing. You can also message the parties or colleagues about the contract using this interface. Contract alerts. In the alerts section, you will notice that few alerts are automatically pre-populated. These automatic alerts are created as per the dates filled in the key terms of the contract, like milestones, renewal, and expiration dates. These dates are sent to the contract owners and associated parties on the specific dates. The milestones are displayed with an icon that looks like a red milestone with the letter M in it. You can choose to create alerts for yourself and your peers by clicking on a date on the calendar. You can set the alert using this screen. You can choose to be notified via mail and/or via text message sent to your phone. Audit Trail. All the activity on the contract is logged and displayed in this tab. The date and time are logged along with the name of the person who performed that action. You can click on the three dots to view more information about a particular event. You can also export this audit trail as a report if required by auditors in a PDF or Excel format. Contract View. You can view the contract, which was scanned and uploaded to Chameleon, from here along with the amendments, which are neatly arranged in tabs. It becomes easy for you to look through various documents this way. Counterparty page. You can get a single snapshot of all the counterparties on Chameleon from this page. The graph widget shows you the counterparties with whom you contract and a comparison of the volume of contracts. You can use the filter feature to display the exact information you need to see. The counterparties are listed in a table similar to the one used in the contract section. It is highly searchable and sortable. When you click on a counterparty listed here, you get a quick snapshot view of the counterparty. When you click on the View Details button, you are directed to a new tab within the application where you have all of the information on that counterparty. The contracts you have with the counterparty are shown in a graph where all the milestones are marked using the white markers. You can track if the milestones have been met or if any have been defaulted from here. The contracts are also listed in a tabular view below. When you click on one of the contract names, you are guided to the detailed view of that contract. Reports. You can view all the reports on this page. You can share a report by clicking on the icon that looks like a hand. The report can be scheduled. That means the report will be generated on a given date and time and distributed to the people listed in the scheduler. You can also choose to add a report as a live reporting widget for your dashboard. Compile report. You can compile a report from the Compile Report tab. This is an easy wizard-based interface where you are led through a series of filter selection choices. You can click on each box to make sub-selections and click on Proceed. The selection choices are shown on the right in the Selected Filters section. Each time you click Proceed, you will notice that the progress indicator would have moved one step ahead. You will be able to preview your selection of filters and add or delete some of them if required. You can also choose the columns, which you would want to see in your report table. The report table is displayed as the penultimate step. The table is actionable, which means you can click on the View icon in every row and view the contract associated to it. You can save a report with a unique name, and once you save a report, you will be able to share it. You can also export the report as a PDF or Excel spreadsheet. You can make the report a widget with live reporting for your dashboard. Alerts. The Global Alerts section of Chameleon has an easy-to-use interface that is similar to Outlook or any other corporate mail client. The calendar shows upcoming events for the next week and events from the past week. All the milestone events of the different contracts are shown on this calendar. You can set alerts for yourself and your peer group from here. Alert notifications. You can see all your new unread alert notifications in this section. Message notifications. You can see all your new unread messages from here. This was a quick demonstration of the capabilities of Chameleon. For more information, please visit our website.